call me Lavish Lindy.
And I am Ritzy Rita.
We are the ladies of the Soil Snobs Club, and we're here to tell you of things you think you know.
Well, one thing you surely...
No, Shirley, not you!
One thing you surely think you know of, but do not, is glacial till.
Glacial till is unsorted sediment deposited by glacial ice. It is mostly composed of clay, silt, and sand-sized particles. Most of the material is rounded, meaning that it's round. But of course, you didn't know that.
Till can be deposited in irregular ridges called moraines. We're currently standing upon a terminal moraine called the Superior Ice Lobe. This is the farthest extent of the ice slope.
There are 3 types of moraine: ground, lateral, and terminal. Ground moraines are composed of sediment that slowly builds up underneath the glacier. For example, this triangle represents the glacier, and these balls represent sediment.
Lateral moraines form on both sides of the glacier. As the glacier moves, it erodes the soil and rock, then deposits around the edges.
This ball represents the glacier, and these balls on the sides represents the lateral moraine.
To put all of this wonderful information into context, we will be graciously sharing some history with you.
Around 1.2 million years ago, during the Pleistocene epoch, Minnesota was almost completely covered in ice.
Speaking of ice.
Ice? Ice? No? This ice was made up of different ice lobes, meaning that there was more than one glacier covering the state.
When these glaciers began to melt and recede, around 11,000 years ago, they left behind evidence, such as moraines, the different types of tills, and large-scale landforms. The first photograph is from Wharton, Minnesota, alongside a roadway.
This till is from the Des Moines ice lobe that crossed the state around 14,000 years ago.
Observe how non-sorted it is. That means there's different sized particles.
Our second photograph depicts glacial till located in Redwood Falls, Minnesota. This till is also from the Des Moines ice lobe.
This till has been deeply weathered, giving it a rather orangey hue. We also have a large sample from that till site. The composition is mainly potassium feldspar. Well, this was rather entertaining. Well, all the poor people are smarter now.
Oh, I most agree. Shirley, once again, not you! As I was trying to express, I simply do enjoy our little club and the adventures we share. You know, because we are very wealthy.
Yes, yes. I suppose we should say farewell to the peasants.
Farewell to all. We hope to see you again in the next segment. Cheers, darling.